Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Natalia and I am a shopaholic, self-diagnosed shopaholic, and I decided to reactivate my YouTube channel and share some items with you, hopefully inspire somebody and just show to the world, not just to my living room, what I actually have and what kind of outfits I can create. And also I want to just talk about fashion, about bags, about shoes, probably also some beauty stuff, and also about just the beauty of being a woman. Yes, it's a beauty, it's a beauty. So today I have a very special item to present because it's my first Chanel bag. And it's such a big thing for me because I have been wanting a designer bag for years. I probably since 2015. I wasn't in a position to buy one. Originally, the first thing that I really wanted was a Gucci bag. I think it's called Gucci Soho Disco bag. And I still like the bag, but maybe not as much. And when I was finally in a position to obtain one of the designer bags, and it wasn't supposed to be a Chanel bag because they are quite expensive, then we had COVID time walking in and lockdowns, and I couldn't travel, I couldn't go anywhere. So eventually I decided to go pre-loved way, especially that I found this bag on Vestiaire Collective, and it was such a beautiful bag, and the price was also very friendly for Chanel bags. So I decided to buy the bag there. So maybe I should just show you the bag. So this is it. This is the beauty. It's a vintage 25 years old Chanel. According to the sticker inside, it's supposed to be made around 1996. And the color is just adorable. It's so beautiful. And I am a color person, and I always knew that my first designer bag was most likely it's not gonna be black, that it will be a color. So I just could not say no to this bag, even though I was afraid to buy pre-loved, and I always thought that I want to have a new designer bag. I want to go in the store, I want to select, get the experience and everything. But the Chanel bags, the classic flaps, are over 6,000 euro at the moment, so I don't think I could do that, and that bag was like really fraction of the price. A girl was just moving out of Europe back to Australia, and she wanted to just get rid of the bag as soon as possible. So I think I was a little lucky with this. It's not a new bag, of course, so the quilting is not as puffy as on the new bags, as far as I see them from internet. But I think it's still pretty good condition for 25 years old bag. And the color is just very much in the trends now, because now we have those juicy and candy-like colors, and so I just totally love that. I love colors, and I love the pop of color when I wear with some neutral clothes, neutral coats. So I really like the color, and I thought that maybe it would be blue or red, but that pink is just stunning and I adore it. So I will show some close-ups, maybe, or maybe I should record them later. And of course it's a classic bag, so it has that iconic double flap, the CC logo, and of course that's how it is inside. So yes, that's what I wanted to share today, like a big thing, big milestone in my fashion life. I got a Chanel bag, and this is like beyond my imagination, because I really didn't think I would have Chanel bag in my life. So that's it for this first comeback video to YouTube. Probably quite chaotic and hectic, but I hope you like the baby. Tell me how you like this beautiful pink baby. You like it, or you are more like all black bags or neutral bags? And please give me a like if you maybe want to see me in the future. Well, have a beautiful day, and hopefully see you.